looks red. A lot of this. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So my husband got me a new laminator for Christmas. I never even realized that I wanted a laminator. I never thought about asking for one, but now that I have it, I'm super excited. So this is our new laminator. It's a Scotch thermal laminator. And this is the paper. It's the Scotch thermal laminating pouches paper. It does come with like 2 sheets of paper, but this is just the extra pack. How much was it, honey?
$29.
Today we're going to laminate pictures, and I'm just doing a couple today, but I do want to make the kids their own personalized placemats where I can just wipe them off with a warm soapy rag, and they can actually color them themselves if they want. So that's going to be really cute. So all we've done is just take it out of the box and plug it in. Wonder if I have Landon's little dragon picture, I could make him his own little placemat with his little dragon picture. The one I colored for him. We're going to do these two. You want to laminate or do you want to record?
I'll record.
All right, you hold this.
They don't want to see me.
Here's our paper.
You put the picture in the paper, and the side that's sealed, I believe, goes in first.
Oh, there it is. Okay, you got done filming? Put your paper in the laminator paper. Oh, look, it's plenty long enough. Look, this is our coloring book. Look how much room we still have.
And they're all sealed. It's not sticking outside anywhere, is it?
Nope, it's all in there. See the edges?
Mm-hmm.
Power. 3 mil, 5 mil. What's the difference? Okay. The 3 mil setting should be used for laminating standard printer paper or lighter items. The 5 mil should be used for thicker paper, photo paper, business cards, or other thick items. And when the light's blue, it's ready. Wait for the blue light to come on, which indicates it's warm enough. Ours isn't business cards or thick paper, it's just a piece of regular paper.
3 mil.
3 mil, waiting for this to be blue.
I smell it. It's heating up.
Okay, and here's the tray. You can adjust it, it says. Place inside pouch. What is this supposed to do? Oh, cool. Ooh, I can smell it. It smells like plastic burning. Are you scared? We can go ahead and put this one in our paper, just in case. There it is. It's stuck together really good. Okay, so we're doing these 2 pictures. We're making the kids their own laminated placemats of our coloring pictures. Of course, this would be for the girls. Have to make the boys dragons, and I wonder if you're supposed to.
We don't know how long this is going to take to heat up.
No, it doesn't give us an idea.
We're still waiting. We're still in the red.
Still in the red.
Waiting for the blue.
It says, if white blotches appear or the laminated pouch appears hazy, send the item sealed in first through the laminator again. Never attempt to laminate with only one side of the laminating pouch. They must be laminated on both sides. We're still waiting for the blue lights, just in case.
And we are ready.
This is all right. Let me just open this real quick.
Blue light is on.
Make sure it's the same, because I don't want to have to do a whole new thing if it's different. Yep, and it's the same. Opens on one side. Cool. Okay, are we ready?
We're ready. Blue
So our picture's in here. We've got all the dust off of it on the inside. It's even around the edges.
Sealed side in first.
Okay. Oh, it just picked it up. It took it.
Just let it do its thing now. You do not want to pull it through.
Do not. He says don't pull it. It's laminating.
Oh, wow.
And it does say if there's any blotches of white or hazy to put it through again. Sealed in first again, so. But that looks pretty colorful. I don't see any white patches or haziness.
Well, it looks good. Very bright. I believe it's done.
Oh, it's done. Oh, it's done, you guys. Look.
Wow.
Yeah, and I'm gonna do like 4 of the dragon colored pictures with dragons for the boys to have their own like little placemats. It looks really good. And let's do this one just to make sure we get the same. Show you guys, it's going in sealed side first.
Blue light is still ready, it's still warm.
Yep, and this is the sealed side, goes in first. Ooh. Now it's sealed forever. It won't fade, even though those are Prismas, and I sealed them with the little spray, you know, the little acrylic sealer. It'll be pretty forever. And when the kids like use them for placemats, you know what I mean, you could just take a wet wash rag and wipe them off, you know. Or you could have your kids color like 4 pictures and, you know, laminate those, and they'll each have their own placemat that they colored and created. That's cool, you guys. Look. Isn't that cute? They're laminated. And then the next time we make these, we can just put them through there, you know what I mean? And cut them. Instead of, I had to tape every single one of these. This was not laminated. It was difficult.
Oh.
It took a long time. And it says you have to wait for it to cool down. Wipe the exterior with a clean cloth. Roll the roller heater is fragile. Don't open or drop the machine. Store in a cool, dry place. Where are we going to store it? All right, thank you, honey. It works amazing. I love it. And look, you can't even tell. But wouldn't that be cute? Have all 4 kids color a picture, laminated, and have their own like little placemats.
That'd be great.
All right. So yeah, you guys, that is it. My new laminator. You could actually have your children color pictures themselves, laminate them. They have their own personalized placemats for their individual seating. You could just laminate all sorts of things, awards, social security cards, you know, insurance cards, and all of that. So thanks for watching. Have a fantastic day, and I will see you next time. Bye.